Welcome more, everyone, to one last stream, the last one of the year of 2024. As the year of 2024 is culminating, finishing, we have accomplished major projections made on both trading instruments. Bitcoin and the S&P 500 at market bottoms since 2000, late 2022, early 2023, achieving the projected levels since then. This, in my personal career, has been a major research respecting the legends of the past based on their research, their studies. As we are ending the year of 2024, we're now projecting the levels for 2025. After achieving the new all-time highs from 16,000 lows on BTC to the projected move to 85 to 87,000 region, we spin through with an overthrown to $108,000 on BTC, exceeding our projections. However, challenging all prior pessimism from other Wall Street analysts among the retail trading community in the space. Today, I'm going to present one last analysis on BTC, a brief one as the year end. I hope each one of you have a great time with family and friends, and it's time to manifest what the projected move will be for 2025 on a personal level, okay? Here, starting on the price action for Bitcoin, very briefly, as well as the price action on the S&P 500, we have achieved turbulences presented previously within the room at 107 with a major bearish butterfly on the 4-hour time frame. Okay? Butterfly was presented here at those highs, 107 overspilled to 108 and 110. However, what occurred after the PRC, the pattern I'm referring here, is on this chart on Binance, okay, on the 4-hour. This one was a short execution at the 107 with a decline currently to nearly 15% with a new low at 91,500. However, we're finding some support here at 107 where we zoom into the hourly time frame to identify what the levels of confluence or the support levels are being presented at those areas. What we can observe here on the hourly time frame is yet another information or a variation of an information, a bullish shark pattern with termination point at the 1.13 from the legs, from the lows to the highs, the legs X to Z, or C in this case, not Z as zebra, but C as champion. So now, support levels at the 1.13, however, turbulences were from the C to the D at the 0.50. As of now, at least on the hourly time frame, that can indicate another continuation structure such as a bearish 5-0, as long as BTC does not, or as long as Bitcoin do not break above the 0.618 on the early time frame, around $96,000 and $700. So far, resistance is being encountered at the 50% retracement from, again, the C to the D, making the bullish shark pattern, finding its first reactive move, okay? However, this pattern can translate into a bearish 5-0, which is a continuation structure. Why? Because we have been printing so far continuation of lower highs, impending a trend change after breaking below the previous low, okay? This is not yet a decisive move as long as Bitcoin remains above the prior low at 92,000 region. However, losing this level, and if rejection continues to manifest here at the 50% and the 0.618 between 95,700 to 96,700, these are areas of resistance that Bitcoin should breach higher in order to avoid a continuation structure, meaning a rejection of these levels at the 50% correction or the 0.618, 95 to 96,000 region can later turn, if that is already not the case, to lower levels and potentially break the lows. We have a pending information in the room looking another pending completion point of a harmonic pattern structure. If you guys are interested, you can visit us at marble6.com and all the details are portrayed in the chart. Okay? So this is a level that we are tracking on the hourly time frame. I am tracking on the hourly time frame. However, we're tracking in the room is also the monthly session close for BTC. Okay? We have on the price action for Bitcoin as a monthly session close today, December 31st of 2024. We then move into the monthly session close, previously identified as an inverted hammer or also a shooting star. Okay? Signaling weakness in the continuation of the uptrend, at least for now. Profit-taking levels may be perceived around January through March, that we are looking at a major cycle low between March and April of 2025. Can this be the pause for now prior to the last leg of the move before entering a new bear market after nearly 3 years will be in 2025? That can be the case. The technicals are presenting those cautionary levels, warning us, traders, right, that the major time frame is signaling some weakening or sign of weakness between higher highs in the price action. Okay, a simple definition here of an impending trend change, higher highs in the price action, lower highs in both momentum indicators, the RSI and the MACD, signaling weakness, right? Lack of persistence towards the upward move. However, the uptrend remains, of course, within bullish conditions until something changes. On the daily time frame, once again, we are looking for January the 5th. Recently, yesterday, another intersection between price and time occurred on the price action for Bitcoin on December the 30th, followed by January the 5th. That is the next important price action between time axis and the price level on BTC, followed by February, and then of course subsequent to that one will be March and April of 2025. To finalize the stream, we move into the price action for the S&P 500. Here, also previously identified on the daily time frame, prior to the major decline, we were looking at this major formation on the hourly or the daily in this case for a bullish cipher, which indeed created or generated this upward trajectory until, of course, the support zone at 58.69 is lost. This is a current support here on the S&P 500 until further evidence of lower levels may indicate otherwise. If we move into the monthly session close also, across the board, we are currently printing a bearish harami on on the S&P 500. It can be also interpreted as a dark cloud cover. Okay, this is higher than the previous session close at 61.19 on the monthly, slightly higher. We open higher at 61.20. However, the prices are now exceeding 50% of the candle of the prior candle on the bullish engulfing. Okay, another sign of cautionary levels here also presented within the equities market on the S&P 500. Debating between a bearish harami as well as a dark cloud cover. Okay, signaling potential turning point to where? To another major ABCD projection that we have projected back in 2022, October lows. The projection, this one was our major accomplishment also within the equities market with an ABCD structure, okay? From the 50% retracement reaching the 200% achieved as of now. However, turbulences are being presented. Therefore, what 2025 will bring, it will be a very interesting year to see if our next projection, because we have projected the legs C to the D, and also not only that projection, but what occurred after this major pending information. Everyone, thank you for being here. This is Marble6. It's been a pleasure for the past 7 years since we opened our own room. However, new challenges, new path, new ways, new journey will be expected for 2025 as I'm turning 10 years within this industry, the trading industry. Previously, hidden in the background, trading on my own, to later trying to guide new traders to trade with an unbiased perspective, respecting the legends of the past and removing all preconceived bias with the BS. Plenty of the BS in the space. However, it's time for maturity that 2025 will bring, I hope, plenty of opportunities for each of us traders. Everyone, once again, thank you for being here. It's been a long journey. I hope each one of you have a wonderful 2025 with family and friends. And I wish you guys all the best. I'll see you guys on the next one. And remember to live a life with an attitude of gratitude. Cheers.